you're probably 12 and you need to know how to do upper and lower bounds. So what you do is you basically ignore whatever this is, whatever the question is asking you, and you look at whatever the parameter is. So in this instance, it's 1 centimeter. You take 1 centimeter and you divide it by 2. So that's going to be half a centimeter, so 0.5 centimeters. Then to work out the upper bound, you add whatever this halved value is to the initial, which is 8.5 centimeters. And then for the lower bound, it's going to be this deducted, so it's going to be 7.5 centimeters. So in a similar vein, we can almost ignore what the mass of the stone is, and we're just looking at whatever this parameter is to the nearest whatever. So it's 0.1. So we're going to do 0.1 divided by 2, which is 0.05 kg. And then for the lower bound, you're going to subtract it from 2.4, which is going to be 2.35 kg. And from the upper bound, it's going to have this added to the initial, so it's going to be about 2.45 kg. So you found out what the lower bound and upper bound is.